Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video we will see how to add administrator user to log in on FortiGate Firewall. So if I am logging this firewall via admin user, if you want to create another user, how you will create. So you first of all you have to go on system and here administrator. So here this is my admin user where I have login this firewall. So if you want to create your new one, so here you will go in administrator and this is the local user. So name of this user like AZY, and then you have to select the password of that user like AZY@123, and then you have to select the same password here as well. So this is my user, AZY user, and here you want to give any comment, or also you have to give the admin profile. So this is our admin with no access, professional admin, super admin, or super admin read only. So here you can give the permission according to this user level. So this, if either is this user is super admin, so you can select the super admin. If you want to select the two-factor authentication, so you can enable the two-factor authentication. The password will come to your mobile phone and then you have to put the password. So here you can also restrict the login through trust host. So you can also set the IP address of that host, this host will come from specific IP. So this either this host IP is 192.168.1.10, so always this host will log in through specific IP. So this is how you can select the IP address. You can give the multiple IPs, like if this user is sit on 2 offices, so you can select the multiple IPs as well, so this user can log in through multiple IPs. So here some other, restrict admin to guest, so this is some other. So here you can create the guest group as well. So just okay, just turn it off. So I have created my new user. So let's log out and log in again through this user. So log out, so AZY@123, AZY@123. So here I have been login through this user. So later, okay, don't show again. So this is how I have been login through this user. You can see here AZY. So this is the super admin as well. So this is how you can create a administrative user. From here also you can create some admin profiles like super admin. There, how many super admins exist? Super admins control, you can see here the super admin control. Professional admin can do these things. So you can also create the user through your remote server, like authentication will occur from your remote server. So here this is how you can authenticate a user through remote server, and here you have to give the super admin, and here you have to select the remote user group. From that group this user will belong. So this is, hope you like the video. So this is how you can create administrator user on FortiGate Firewall. So thank you very much.